Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Facebook messages. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on Download your information. And here you'll see you can download your post, photos, videos, comments, stories, followings and followers, messages, and many more. Now go to the top and tap on Deselect All. Now scroll down to Messages and select that. Now scroll down to the bottom. You can select a specific date range. Select the HTML format type and select medium quality. Now tap on Create File and it takes a few moments to create the file. So let's wait. Here you can see that the request is now pending and the copy of my information is being created. I have already requested a copy and it is ready to download. Now if you tap on download and the file will be started downloading and you'll be able to see your deleted messages. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.